Hello guys. Today we see how to apply ripple effect on an image. Let's get start. First, insert a picture. Resize the picture and change its position. We have need ripple effect image for giving ripple effect to the Apple picture. For downloading ripple effect image, open your browser and visit freepik.com website. Search with ripple effect in freepik.com, then download the ripple effect image. After download, open File Explorer and go to Download, then extract the downloaded zip file. Now open the JPG format image file. Here are ripple effect image file. Now, we have to convert the image to SVG format. For do that, open browser and search with PNG to SVG converter. Then go to convert.io website and choose your image file. Now click on Convert and wait for converting process. Then download your SVG image. Go back to your PowerPoint slide, then insert the ripple effect SVG image. Now select Crop option and cropping the image. Select Convert to Shape option to convert the image into a shape. Cover the Apple picture area with the ripple shape for giving ripple effect. Now select Apple picture and ripple shape and duplicate it. Again select Apple picture and ripple shape. Then go to Shape Format and select Merge Shape. Now select Intersect option. See, we got our ripple effect on Apple picture. Now select another Apple picture and cropping it. Our ripple effect picture is ready now.